Very excited. Magku-Q&A po natin si Governor Manotoc. Gov, unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang po muna kayo kamustahin. Kamusta po kayo today?
Well, happy kami that obviously the day is finally here because we've been building towards this. We thank, of course, Captain Stanley, of course, and you for coming, our friends and partners, and everyone who made our festival possible. Nandito po kami sa Himala sa Buhangin at the world-famous Suba Sand Dunes in Paway, Ilocos Norte.
Yes! Gov, curious lang po ako, para po sa inyo, ano yung best place or best spot dito sa Lawan?
Well,
para sa inyo po, ano yung best place?
Well, this is one of them. No? We're here at the Suba Sand Dunes. Ilocos naman is known for our sand dunes. Secondly, our windmills. And thirdly, Saud Beach in Pagudpud. So I would say yun po yung mga headliners ng Ilocos Norte. But there are so many other sites, mga underrated. For example, we have Badok Island, Solsona Apayao Road, which are equally beautiful, kaya lang hindi pa kilala. So we want to invite everyone to come and enjoy Ilocos Norte. We have so much to offer. Kahit isang linggo, talagang mapupuno po ang schedule.
Oo nga po, hindi po sapat yung nagstay kami dito ng overnight, pati bukas. Feeling ko hindi po yun enough para malibot namin yung ganda ng Ilocos.
Ito po, we are really blessed to have white sand beach, sand dunes, we have the mountains. Kahit anong mahanap po ninyo in terms of ecological variety, ecotourism, nandito po.
May secret favorite place po ba kayo? Yung kayo lang nakakaalam?
Well,
Parang madami ko.
secret nga, di ba? But,
Isa lang, isang secret lang i-share natin.
yeah, I think yung Solsona Apayao Road, parang Baguio vibes, very untouched. Actually hindi ako camping type, but gusto ko lang, I like going for the day. Very peaceful, mountains, it's basically the Cordillera mountain range. So parang Baguio before anything was developed, parang ganun yung vibes.
Grabe, gusto ko ma-experience yun.
Saka malamig.
Oo nga,
Pwede
kasi mainit na
mag-bonfire
marami.
at mag-s'mores.
Gusto ko yun ma-experience! Bobby, dalhin niyo naman po kami doon minsan. Ito po yung next question ko. Kung i-describe mo in one word yung Lawan, ano po yun?
Ilocos Norte, siguro diverse. Kasi yun nga po, parang lahat ng destinations nandito eh. I always say na parang kami lang ang pwede mag-offer ng slice of Dubai, slice of Boracay, slice of Baguio. No? We even have a city, we have our mall, Robinson's Mall, may Starbucks na kami, di ba? So we can really offer a lot po.
I'm so excited. Gusto ko mapagmalibot talaga yung buong Ilocos. At sana makabalik po ako dito.
I wanted to ask you, what did you know of Ilocos Norte?
I'm
Kasi
sorry.
you've never been, di ba? Hindi ka pa nakapunta dito.
Yeah.
So like, what did you know of Ilocos Norte? Ano yung mga...
Lagi ko po naririnig yung Plaza del Norte before. Tapos hindi ko alam, kasi bata pa po ako na, so hindi ko alam kung ano ba siya. Wala akong idea. And then,
with your friends and family just for a vacation or makaikot po. And of course, we'd like to invite everyone else to come visit Ilocos Norte. We will soon have a new Philippine Airlines route from Cebu, and we would like to welcome all our kababayans to Ilocos Norte. I'm in!
You're in, I'm in then. I'm in. Yay!
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Francine.
Thank you, Dom.
Thank you.